Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product analysis.
Today, we're diving into the world of saltwater surf fishing with a comprehensive look at the ultimate tackle kit for enthusiasts. The Saltwater Fishing Tackle Kit Surf Fishing Gear by FUSIGO.
If you're passionate about surf fishing, this kit is your best companion.
Packed with everything you need for a successful day out on the waves, it's a must-have for any angler looking to reel in the big catch.
Let's break down what makes this kit stand out from the rest. First off, versatility.
With 150 pieces of gear included, from minnows to bucktail jigs, this kit covers all your bases. Whether you're targeting bass, halibut, trout, or striped bass, you'll find the right tools for the job right here. Next up, durability. Crafted from premium materials like stainless steel, these fishing tackles are built to withstand the harsh conditions of the sea.
Say goodbye to rust and corrosion. This gear is designed to last.
And let's not forget about convenience. The kit comes neatly packed in a sturdy tackle box, making it easy to transport and organize your gear wherever your fishing adventures take you.
Plus, with a compact size, it won't take up too much space in your backpack or tackle bag. Now, you might be wondering about the price. At just $29.99, this kit offers incredible value for money. Considering the sheer number of high-quality pieces included, it's a steal for any angler looking to up their game. So there you have it, folks. The Saltwater Fishing Tackle Kit Surf Fishing Gear by FUSIGO.
Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, this kit has everything you need to make your next fishing trip a success. Don't just take my word for it. Grab yours today and experience the difference for yourself.
Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique.
Until next time, tight lines and happy fishing.